Welcome to our channel. Today, we're sharing 10 tips for successful weight loss. Each tip will bring you one step closer to unlocking your best self. It's not just about shedding pounds, it's about transforming your life into a healthier, happier version of you. Imagine waking up each day feeling energized, confident, and ready to seize every opportunity. So let's dive in and discover these 10 powerful tips for successful weight loss. Each small change will add up to big results. Ready? Let's get started. The first step in any successful weight loss journey is to start with a clear, specific goal. For example, instead of saying, "I want to lose weight," try setting a goal like, "I want to lose 10 pounds in the next 3 months." Having a clear goal helps keep you motivated and focused. Write your goal down and place it somewhere you can see it every day. Every pound lost, every healthy meal chosen, every workout completed is a step towards your goal. You got this. Keeping a food diary is an incredibly effective tool for weight loss. By tracking what you eat, you become more aware of your eating habits and can identify patterns that may be hindering your progress. Start by writing down everything you eat and drink each day. Once you see these patterns, you can make conscious changes to improve your diet. Consistency is key, so make it a daily habit. Staying hydrated is often overlooked, but it's a crucial part of successful weight loss. Drinking enough water helps control your appetite, keeps your metabolism running smoothly, and supports overall health. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. If you find plain water boring, try adding slices of lemon, cucumber, or fresh mint for a refreshing twist. Drinking a glass of water before meals can also help you feel fuller and prevent overeating. So, make water your go-to beverage and stay refreshed. Chapter 4. Eat more protein. Protein is a powerhouse nutrient that plays a key role in weight loss. It helps you feel full and satisfied, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Include a good source of protein in every meal. Protein-rich snacks like Greek yogurt, nuts, or a protein smoothie can keep you satiated between meals. So load up on protein and power your weight loss journey. Chapter 5. Avoid sugary drinks. Sugary drinks are one of the biggest culprits when it comes to hidden calories. Cutting out these sugary beverages can make a huge difference in your weight loss efforts. Replace sugary drinks with healthier alternatives like water, herbal tea, or black coffee. Reading labels is also important. Some drinks marketed as healthy or natural can still be loaded with sugar. By eliminating sugary drinks, you'll reduce your calorie intake and take a big step towards achieving your weight loss goals. Chapter 6. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise is a cornerstone of successful weight loss. Incorporating both cardio and strength training into your routine will give you the best results. Find activities you enjoy to make exercise fun and sustainable. Whether it's dancing, hiking, or playing a sport, staying active should be something you look forward to. Make exercise a non-negotiable part of your routine, and you'll see the benefits both physically and mentally. Chapter 7. Get enough sleep. Poor sleep can disrupt your hormones, increase your appetite, and make you more likely to reach for unhealthy foods. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Avoid screens and stimulants like caffeine before bed to improve your sleep quality. A well-rested body is more efficient at regulating hunger hormones and making healthier food choices. Chapter 8. Manage stress. Stress can be a significant barrier to weight loss. Finding healthy ways to manage stress is crucial for both your mental and physical health. Incorporate stress-reducing activities into your daily routine. Taking care of your mental health is just as important as taking care of your body. By managing stress effectively, you'll be more likely to stick to your weight loss plan and achieve your goals. Chapter 9. Avoid processed foods. Processed foods are often high in unhealthy fats, sugars, and preservatives, which can hinder your weight loss efforts. Focus on eating a variety of fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Cooking at home allows you to control the ingredients and make healthier choices. By avoiding processed foods, you're making a positive step towards a healthier lifestyle and successful weight loss. Chapter 10. Stay consistent. Consistency is the key to achieving and maintaining weight loss. Small, consistent changes lead to long-lasting results. Set a routine that works for you and stick to it. Don't get discouraged by setbacks. They are a natural part of the journey. By staying consistent, you'll not only achieve your weight loss goals, but also create a healthier, happier lifestyle for yourself. Thanks for watching. We hope these 10 tips help you on your journey to successful weight loss. Remember, it's all about making small, sustainable changes that lead to big results. Stay motivated and keep pushing forward. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and inspiration. See you next time. Keep striving for greatness, and remember, the best is yet to come. Until next time, stay healthy and stay motivated.